Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. Keep on telling you, don't know the things that people bless up on themselves on a weekend, you know what I mean? I have to check up with, don't know, and things, making you know, so everything still I go on, or them supposed to go on, you know, and don't forget to go up on my Boom Bye TV channel for check out Dana response to that be, yeah, who says she does stand by and watch the thugs them, put the pause on her, you see me, I say, but in another video, yeah, we're gonna hear from Dressmaker Boy and talk about, you know, people bad mind him in a dance hall and things, and you know, nobody can step to him. And also we're gonna hear from the Angel. Yes, after a successful exports tour, she's back in Jamaica, not worrying about Beanie Man, but helping out the poor. But before we get into any of that, people, please hit the like button and subscribe from now. It'd be truly appreciated. Okay, people, it's only right that we highlight the First Lady of Dancehall, being that the King of Dancehall is been broiled in a bunch of entanglements, you see me, I say, and the Queen of her own domain, yes, she is a queen in her own right, has been entangled in this hot mess. You know, Beanie Man's new girlfriend Camille said that the Angel and Crystal were toxic, even though they didn't call no names. But we know which one a Beanie Man girl them that nah, you know, pet and powder him. You see me? I said them, yeah, woman, you're not frightened over Beanie. But the Angel, she has been on a successful world exposed tour, and she was touring all over the United States of America. But you don't know the things said, people. The Angel is back in Jamaica, helping the needy once again without no big sponsor. So let's take a look.
Bring pretty close some point. Mr. Pine. Mr. Pine! Mama. Oh, you know, Jess. They bring pretty close some point for you. Hold on. Yeah, we'll put on in point. Stop the video. So Mr. Pine, they bring pretty close for you. Come for it. So, a one piece. Pretty shirt for Christmas. Pretty shirt for Christmas. You like it?
I am trained for the ancient art of
We bring jeans for you there. Hot boy jeans. Hot boy. I'll bring some brief. Here. Now show them a brief. Bring some brief. I'm gonna get one new bad pants for you, auntie. So, I have a radio. Have a radio. Phone? Yeah. Oh, you say one back in phone because some people call him sometimes. Oh, see bat here. We get new bat for you. Because I see one bat when they were 10%. See pretty bat here.
I had a chat with your guardian, young lady.
Yeah. So I say one second hand phone. I get one good phone. Alright? I get one good phone. I sit up with that time. I'm the fine. This not normal. It's a price of all your bossy shirt. I'm going to tell you about it. You understand? How you feeling in your shirt? Brand new. Brand new. Hey, brand new. So this is the happiest moment. Mr. Pines have a nice house. Pretty shirt. So, we can go for a date now. Don't it?
And lovers.
Lovers leave where I go? Lovers leave? We're not going to leave though. We're not going to leave but lovers leave. So Mr. Pines, how's that something? Think of yourself, Mr. Pines. Like the stuff. Yeah? Well, sometimes people realize where I got. You're welcome, darling. One thing you know, I'm very appreciative of every little thing you get. Every little thing. So, no, if you do, you know, Christmas that comes up and to want in Lama. We have a lot more work to do. Get this foundation. Big up yourself, Mr. Pines. Yes, I'm not within us. Hot boy Pines. Mr. Pines a blush. Hot boy Pines. Hot boy, I will tell you what. Hot boy a road. That boy, I will tell you what. That boy a road. Hey, 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 hey.
Now, dancer producer slash mogul slash dressmaker boy, aka, you know what, let me be myself. No, people, stop it. You know what I mean? But anyway, people, immature a bag of word pan people, and the people them no fool. You know, the people them must say a TJ. Immature words pan, cause you know it's a dressmaker boy. Him not hold him tongue no more. Nigga got money now, you feel what I'm saying? Hey, me boy, nigga. Such man have money nowadays, and it wasn't like back in the days when these artists were taking advantage of him, you know. Now him can really back up what him have to say, you see it. So let's take a listen to him saying all the people them bad mind him and Shansia and all of these things, you see me, I say.
So I say, yo, since we're back for Christmas, we'll try to feed some more people, make the country nice, okay? Remember, say everybody love cuss the minister, but the minister can't do everything. A one man to a million and odd people. So we, as the proper people, them out there with the public, we have the international maritime. We must can come together and help them to be better. So you know, nobody feels so we are looking for star.
Yeah.
Nobody can have more star than L.A. Lewis. We don't want no star, right? And we don't want nobody feel like we are trying to make no money off of this because my business I do that.
Yeah.
Right? We are doing that because we have a platform where we can help the people and we can make things better. And if we, as people, we have million followers and we have much subscribe and we have the world that look for we can show, say, yo, we can help the people. And we feel like, remember the reason, you know, because 10 years down the line, the people them like we would have the power and if I do the right thing. So the people them will grow from 10 to 20 to 21, come up in our culture where I do certain little mix up and badness and this and that them want. So me want to show the little people them now we are 10, we are going to 20. Within the next 10 years, them can look up and say, I want to be like Romeich. He's never selfish, him doing things and helping people, and build up him team and see teamwork can work. Remember the end idea?
Facts.
Me is one person, I can help some people, I can't help all. So thank God for the lucky one when I reach out to and help. And I continue to help. And any idea, G, I've seen where I help one person and one person help three. So if I help 1,000 people, maybe the 1,000 end up help million, I don't know. You understand?
Facts.
So look on it now. You advise everybody musically, and you have enough producer. You have enough producer when I like me. You have enough DJ man when I into it. You have enough blood clot. When them name artists when I want to work with me.
Sure.
All if you offer them money, then I want it. But at the end of the day, I don't care. Work with who I work with me. Right?
Facts. Yeah,
So,
man, father. Come
I
and tell us how you are do. What you are do. Our people richer than you not do it.
good.
You understand? Your people
Remember,
richer
some
than
never know you. Remember, some
Yeah.
never know you. I see one little thing come out and I'm talk to you upon them, don't it?
Yeah.
If you send me something and say, Ray, me do it, don't it?
Yeah, my general.
And I'm a very busy person, right?
Yeah, man.
Good. So,
Yeah, man, my
we just
general.
have to show
Say
say
you're
the people
cool
them,
to deal with, man.
the big man them and the big woman them and the big people them have the power. Don't stop when like when the bigger than the other people them. Because guess what, my G? I was a small person one time, right?
Sure.
Me used to be the person that way. Me never did for hungry yet because my mother and my father always work good, but me never have it certain way. But me used to go out there and see some little car come in and rain and some people are coming and them hot for the car and this and me I say, yo, I wish I could be that. And we do my thing. And when I come and I have one fuck up family, you know. My sister them used to treat me fuck up. All the time I watch it, me no business about it now. Some fuck up sister me down. And them did have it. You see me I say my G?
Yeah.
And I see like where I use all them sun tie, like little tie car them and them little thing there. And them run me out tight. And they
Yeah.
come out of them sun thing. So you see them thing there? When me do my thing now, I buy my son things and I buy Roger with them. You know what time Shensi I say, yo, top spoil Raj. Brother, me never have nobody to spoil me. So you see if you just know so I can spoil them youths and now, it's a joy for me.
Facts, my
And the
father.
whole point is, when my dad do my business, brother, my father never believe in me and my mother alone believe in me and hold out with me. You see me? So that's why when somebody reach out to me and say, yo, they want a little help, it drive me. Because guess what? I know what it feel like for want help and can't get help, brother.
True.
When I go tell people them the whole life story, because I write a book, I tell them now, the book now I go sell.
Yeah, man, your book are going to primary school, you know. Just like Zachariah, you know. You still have a book in a primary school, too, you know. Just continue. Yeah. Still like to read about Zachariah.
So, yo,
I saw
so
them
brother,
also read about you, man.
why you have to try the Zachariah something? I chew my head round like dumpling. You don't say you have tried this, man. That's
That's school of my father.
disabled
No, we
bastard,
are trying
whatever,
to show the history, man. Yeah, create history. Say history.
Remember you have
Yeah,
one fuck up name, but your name Abel, now you will kill Cable. So you go.
no, man, them say I can't kill me, but I never say,
Okay.
man. I mean, kill, man. I don't want to go to prison, so I just tell him practice, say, I can't kill me.
Yeah. Yeah, big up yourself, G. Go on,
Alright,
keep
dog.
yeah?
Yeah, big up.
Oh, mad thing. Yeah. People, I want to man, we don't make nothing but we know just live a life, you know. Yeah.
I think just make a boy is a man that I try to promote him, rhythm and things and things. I'm just to get a quick update on such man, you see. Oh, people, don't forget to go over to my Boom Bye Bye TV channel because a lot of you is asking me, yo, King, you know, have any other live with Michi Boo at this up Queen? Yes, people, I have the original live with Michi Boo. You know, talking about her being robbed and all of these things, and she mentioned Queenie, and as well as me have Michi Boo response to Queenie. After Queenie did Rabaro, that's on my Mix Up and Things channel. You see me, I say. And don't forget to go to my Boom Bye Bye TV channel. There you will find Dana response to Sharika. Because you know, say, girl come out the other day, said Dana just stand by and watch her get beat up and things like she never did said that before. You see me, you know what I mean? So I'm just try to get them updates. You don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell.